Life is like the ocean. It can be calm or still, rough or rigid, but in the end, it is always beautiful. This quote does in fact remind me of the ocean and many things that lurk in the ocean. And that brings me to today's topic of bull sharks. So, today I'm going to be telling you where bull sharks reside and how they behave so you can watch out and keep an eye out when swimming. Now, I have done research for the past few days on this topic of bull sharks, and I will be giving you the most accurate information possible regarding what I learned. Now, I will be going over their diet, their environment, and their behaviors. So the first thing I want to go over is their wide range diet. According to the Oceana website of July 29th, 2024, they are known to eat bony fish, small sharks, mammals, seabirds, and sea turtles. So they eat a variety of different things, but the real question is, do humans count on this list? The answer is no, not normally. I mean, the chance of being bit by a shark is like 1 in 2 million. So most bull sharks aren't targeting humans, and if they do end up accidentally taking a bite, it's likely because of their small eyes. They have not very good vision, and in murky, dirty water, they won't know the difference between a foot or a fish. So, now that you know about their diet, which is a wide range of many fish, mammals, anything they can basically eat, I'll be going over their environment. Now, they normally reside in warmer climates, such as the Gulf of Mexico, the Caribbean, Hawaii, and many others around the globe. They are mainly spotted in places like Hawaii, where a lot of people are, and that's where they're spotted the most. But the fun thing about bull sharks is they can go into fresh water. They are not limited to salt water. According to the National Wildlife Federation of July 29, 2024, bull sharks have certain glands and kidney functions to allow their bodies to retain salt in fresh water. Now, these sharks have been spotted in many freshwater rivers, such as the Mississippi River and the Amazon River. They like to go far upriver. They don't limit themselves to just the entrance or mouth of the river. So, now that you know that they can go into fresh water and that they eat a wide variety of things, let's go on to behaviors. So, generally, bull sharks are seen as aggressive, mostly by humans, but by everything else in the ocean. So, according to the Florida Fish and Wildlife Conservation Commission of July 31st, 2024, states bull sharks are one of the more aggressive species of shark in the ocean. Now, the reason bull sharks are aggressive to humans is due to a variety of things. Mainly is their poor vision. Like I said, they have small eyes and don't see very well. But it's also about contact. Like I said, they like the warmer climates, but so do we, for multiple beach vacations and everything else. So while they also have poor vision, they also come in contact with humans more than probably any other shark in the ocean. So that leads to accidents. But another reason they are seen as aggressive is because they have a survival instinct that causes them to be aggressive to everything in the ocean. including us, if we happen to be there. So going off the survival instinct, most bull sharks don't make it to adulthood. They just get eaten by sharks, eaten alive. And that's why they are so aggressive starting out. But let's go ahead and move on to hunting habits. Normally, they are lone hunters. They normally aren't paired up, but we have had research done where they do hunt partnered up. But again, mostly lone wolves in the ocean. So, let me show you an example of a bull shark, since you might not know what exactly it looks like. This is a bull shark. And you can tell it's a bull shark because of the way its head is shaped. It's not exactly triangled, but it's like has a more point than most sharks, such as the great white. Great white has more rounded shaped head. Now then, I want to end. Actually, let me start over. I have talked to you about their environment, their habits, and what they eat. Now, let me end it with this. Life is like the ocean. It can be calm and still or rigid, but in the end, it is always beautiful. Thank you.